Okay. So, the first question is, basically, what is the job you do? What is, like, the description of it, the task you do, like, basically, what is the job?
Okay. I'm an electrical engineer. My specific area of expertise is electronics design, and my role is an applications engineer. So, as an applications engineer, I work with customers to help them understand and implement designs using the devices from my company, from Texas Instruments. Um, that involves helping them solve problems, helping them understand the function of the parts, helping them understand the science behind the parts.
Okay. And, how did you start in the job?
I started in the job, I got my degrees. I got a bachelor's of electrical engineering and a master's of electrical engineering. And that was what got me started in the job.
Okay. Is, like, besides the bachelor's and the master's, is there kind of like a minimum education that's usually required for someone?
Uh,
Or is that basically it?
I would say the minimum for this job would be a bachelor's. The people that I work with have a range of degrees. Some have masters, some have PhDs, and in my particular area of expertise, it's all electrical engineers.
Okay. Awesome. And, before we get into the sample problem, like, what application does Trig have in your job? Like, what does it do exactly?
There's a huge amount of math involved, and it really is over the full range. It's algebra, geometry, trig, very heavy into calculus. For trig specifically, as an electrical engineer, I think the focus is mostly on the trigonometric functions. So we use sine waves and cosine to express currents and voltages and power for filters, for circuits. We also use discrete Fourier transforms as a way to describe frequency response of circuits. So it's all built on top of trig.
Okay. Awesome. And then, is there any additional related information that you would like to provide in reference to it, or like an advice to a high school math student?
Yeah, I guess my advice to a math student in high school or college is that I think of it like building a pyramid, that people will struggle with math at different points in their education, but it continues to build. So, trig builds on geometry and algebra, calculus builds on trig, and so on and so forth. So I think it's important to master each level and each skill as you go through, so that you can continue to have a good foundation to build that pyramid.